Good morning, students. Welcome to Ambuja Public School, Rabiavas. This is Anubha Chauhan. Your EVS teacher is going to start today's class. So, children, today we are going to start lesson number 12, the word of animals. And let us see what are the topics for today's class. First of all, we will do the warm-up exercise. Then we will learn about different kind of animals. We will learn about domestic and pet animals. We will learn about wild animals. Then we will learn about land and water animals. Animals live both on land and in water. Then we will learn about insects and caring for animals. So these are the topics which we are going to cover today. So first of all, we are going to do the warm-up exercise. Now, in this exercise, you have to look at the poster. What do you see in this poster? Yes, these are animals. Let us see the names of animals: snake, monkey, hen, kangaroo, dog, goat, frog, giraffe, camel, butterfly, lion, and horse. So these are the names of animals. Now we will see the animals which we can find around us. Now find out the animals. Yes, we can see hen around us, dog, we can see goat, we can see camel, butterfly, and horse. So these animals we can see around us. So there are some animals which we do not see around us. Let us find the names of those animals: snake, monkey, kangaroo, frog, giraffe, lion. So these are the animals which we do not see around us. Plants and animals live all around us in different places. In lesson 11, you have learned about the plants, that there are many types of plants. Some are big and some are small plants. Like plants, animals are also living with us. They are living around us and in different places. Just like plants, animals are also of different kind and sizes. Here you can see these are some animals and they are not same. They are different to each other. Their colors are different, their sizes are different. So we cannot say that all the animals are same. All the animals has its own body, special body part. Some are tall, some are short, some animals are big and some are small. So when we can see the animals, some are very tall like giraffe, some are very short like rat. So some animals are very big and some are small. Their sizes are not same. They are different in size. Some animals can be kept at home or in the farm. They are called as domestic animals. Means कुछ animals को हम अपने घर पर या अपने farm पर रख सकते हैं. ऐसे animals को हम domestic animals कहते हैं. और animals like dogs, cat, fish or birds are kept at home are known as pet animals. Some animals like dog, cat, fish we keep in the aquarium. Birds like parrot we keep in the cage. So these are known as pet animals. Pet animals are domestic animals that are kept for companionship and amusement. You have seen that many people keep dogs, cats, parrot, मैना, rabbit for their amusement. Means अपने मनोरंजन के लिए. और हमें एनिमल्स के साथ रहने में अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए इनको हम घर में रखते हैं. You have seen that dogs, cats jump over whenever we come back to home. They wait for us. They also show their love to us. They follow our instructions, and you have seen that like parrot, manna, they repeat the words we teach them. Let us see the examples of domestic and pet animals like cat, rabbit, chick, ox, hen, cow, dog, then duckling, duck, goat, horse, kids. So these are domestic animals. Now we will learn about the next kind of animals, that is wild animals. Animals that live in forests are called wild animals. Means ऐसे animals जो कि forest में रहते हैं, हमारे आसपास में नहीं रहते हैं, ऐसे animals को हम wild animals बोलते हैं. Now these are the wild animals you can see in this picture. See some examples: lion, elephant, giraffe, tiger, fox, zebra, bear, monkey. So we have seen the examples of wild animals. What are wild animals? Wild animals are the animals which live in forest. Now we will find out the places where animals live. Some animals live on land. For examples, dog, giraffe, cat, lion, tiger, bear and deer, etc. There are so many more animals you have seen which live on land. Means ऐसे animals जो कि जमीन पर रहते हैं. Now we will see some more animals which live in water. For example, fish, octopus, crab, dolphin, seahorse. There are so many animals which live in water only. See the examples of water animals: fish, octopus, crab, dolphin. Now some animals live in both on land and in water, like duck, frog, tortoise, crocodile, etc. Means कुछ animals ऐसे होते हैं जो कि पानी में भी रहते हैं और land पर भी रहते हैं. So you have seen the examples of these kind of animals which live on both: duck, frog, tortoise, crocodile. Now next kind of animals we will learn today is insects. Insects, have you seen insects? Yes, you have seen many insects around us like mosquito, housefly, butterfly. So these are the insects. First of all, we understand that how can we say that this animal is insects. Insects are small animals which with 6 legs. Means जो भी insects होगा उनके 6 legs होते हैं. Most of them have wings that help them fly. अधिकतर insects के wings होती हैं जो कि उन्हें fly करने में help करती हैं. Let us see the examples of insects with picture.
Caterpillar, butterfly, ladybug, worm, grasshopper, Spider. Ant.
Now we will see the caring for animals. Animals are like us. They need food and water. Means animals भी हमारे जैसे ही होते हैं और उनको भी food और water की जरूरत होती है. They can see, they can hear, they can smell. They feel pain or get angry when we hurt them. Means वो हमारे जैसे ही उनको दर्द होता है जब भी हम उनको अगर कुछ नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं. जैसे sometimes you have seen that some children throw stones on animals like dog, cats. So we should not do like that. We should be kind for them. हमें animals के लिए kind होना चाहिए. Means हमें दया भाव रखनी चाहिए, हमें दयालु होना चाहिए. Now we will see हमें क्या क्या animals के साथ करना चाहिए. We should give them food, water and shelter. Means हमें उन्हें खाना देना चाहिए, पानी देना चाहिए and shelter देना चाहिए. Then treat them with love and affection. उन्हें अपने प्यार से और उन्हें बहुत ही स्नेह से उनके साथ व्यवहार करना चाहिए. Next, take them to a doctor when they are sick. अगर कोई एनिमल आपके आसपास में बीमार है, उसे चोट लग गई है, तो हमें डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए. Means a vet. Vet means the doctor which look after the animals. जो एनिमल्स के डॉक्टर होते हैं, they are called vet. So we should go to the vet if animal is not feeling well, if animal is sick. Now let us see what we should not do with animals. We should not tease them. Means हमें उन्हें चिढ़ाना नहीं चाहिए. Like sometimes it happens that some children show the sticks or any other thing, or sometimes they burn the crackers in front of them, as animals are very afraid of crackers and we should not hurt them. Means हमें उनके ऊपर कभी stones वगैरह कुछ फेंकना नहीं चाहिए. कभी अपने कुछ भी कोई भी चीज, कई बार खेलते खेलते बच्चे उनकी पूंछ को खींच लेते हैं, तो हमें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Now we will see the some keywords. We have learned snake, monkey, giraffe, horse, camel, butterfly. Now some more: tease, domestic, hurt, wild, love, sick. So these are the keywords which we have learned in our this lesson number 12. Hope you have enjoyed this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.